turn on or you turn it off yung buong power system. At sabi niya, ang in charge lang doon ay yung duty manager. There's just one person or maybe 2 or 3 of them who are in control of the shutting down or the turning on of the system. Nakakatakot ito. Other issues that were raised earlier by Kong Dan Fernandez, alarming too. No? Listening to the NGCP, definitely the first reaction is to deny. Of saying, disagreeing with the observation of Congressman Dan Fernandez. And we respect that. All here para ayusin itong sistemang ito at hindi ito hindi mangyari yung kinakatakutan natin na maaari at posibleng mangyari considering that we have now an issue with China in the West Philippine Sea. I cannot imagine utility companies being managed and operated by quote-unquote the enemy. I'm sure you wouldn't want to sleep with your enemy. Totoo ba na kapag halimbawa nagkaroon tayo ng alitan sa ating kapitbahay na China, isang pindot lang ba nila, mawawala na ang power sa atin?
Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Stories of Uncle Paeng. Comment, like, and share. And thank you for watching.